Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use grid layout updated. Start by creating a grid container with display. Grid, then set grid template columns and grid template rows to define tracks. Use repeat for repeated columns and 1 FR units for flexible sizing. Place children with grid column and grid row or the grid area shortcut. Keep gutters consistent with gap and test responsive changes with media queries and min-max to adapt layout smoothly. Set alignment properties early to avoid later adjustments. Justify items and align items, control item alignment inside cells. Use gap for consistent spacing between rows and columns instead of margins on items. Justify content and align content, move the entire grid area within its container when there is free space. For responsive design, combine autofill or autofit with min-max to let items wrap and maintain alignment as the viewport changes. Build responsive grids using autofill or autofit with min-max, 200 px, 1 FR so columns adapt to available width. Adjust gap and alignment at breakpoints to preserve rhythm and readability. For complex layouts, change grid template columns and grid template rows within media queries rather than manipulating individual items. Test across devices and adjust min widths to avoid cramped content, while keeping proportions balanced and accessible for keyboard and screen reader navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.